How to convert currency in Wise mobile app. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to convert currency using the Wise mobile app. Whether you're managing multiple currencies or preparing for travel, this guide will walk you through the process. First, open the Wise mobile app on your device. Make sure you are logged in to your account before proceeding. Next, tap on the Accounts tab located in the bottom of the screen. This will display all your currency balances like your Wise account. Now, choose the currency balance you want to convert from. For example, if you want to convert US dollars to euros, tap on your USD balance. Once you're in the selected currency balance, tap on the Convert button to begin the currency conversion process. Enter the amount you'd like to convert, then select the currency you wish to convert to, such as euros or British pounds. Carefully review the conversion rate, any applicable fees, and the final amount you'll receive. If everything looks good, tap the Convert button to proceed. Your currency conversion is now complete. A confirmation screen will appear, and then converted amount will be visible in your selected currency balance.